Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are solving the problem minimum depth of binary tree. So binary tree is very famous data structure and there are lots of problems on binary tree which is frequently asked in interviews. So one should know the binary tree in detail, and there is two very famous traversal of binary tree, DFS or BFS. So we should know both of the traversal and try to solve all the problem using both of the traversal. So given a binary tree, find its minimum depth. The minimum depth is the number of nodes along the shortest path from the root node down to the nearest leaf node. A leaf node is a node with no children. So as this is our binary tree and this is the root node 3. So if we go left, this is our 9 is leaf and which is closest to the root node. So the number of node from the including the root to leaf is 1 plus 1 2, and if you go to this leaf, this has 3. So this is not shortest. If we go to 15, this is also 3. So the minimum answer is 2. So this is very straightforward solution. I know you must have solved. So very easy, like we can solve this problem in both DFS as well as BFS. So let's first solve with the DFS approach. So first we will check if there is no element in tree, which means root is null. In that case we will just return the 0 because there is no node itself. And second case we will check if root dot left is null and root dot right is also null. So both of them null, then this means we found the leaf node. So we will return the 1. Then we will also check the case where root dot left is null. If root dot left is only null, which means we have only the right subtree. So we have to go to the right subtree. Then we will return 1 plus the minimum depth from the right subtree, which is root dot right. Similarly, we will check for the root dot right. If it is null, then it means we have only the left subtree. Then we will return 1 plus min depth of root dot left. If these all four cases is not there, which means the current node we are processing which has both left child as well as the right child, then we will get the minimum depth, return basically minimum depth from both. So 1 plus math dot min of min depth from the root dot left left subtree and the min depth. So whichever minimum we will add 1 the current node plus so root dot right subtree. So this is the solution using the DFS. So let's compile our code and see. So code is getting compiled and we are getting correct answer. Let's submit the code and it is accepted. So the time complexity of this solution is, as you can see, we are processing all the nodes of our tree in worst case scenario. So which means the time complexity can go in worst case O of n, where n is a number of nodes, and the space complexity in this solution can go up to the recursion call stack, which is height of the tree. So in worst case is the height of the tree. So let's solve the same with using the BFS or the level order traversal. So in that we will also check first if root is null, which means there is no node, we will just return the 0 from here. Otherwise we will create a queue of tree node, as we use the queue in initialize from the linked list implementation, add the current node into the queue and initialize a depth variable which will count the depth of, or basically we can say minimum depth as well, initialize from the 1 because we have root. Now we will iterate through all the nodes using the while queue is not empty. Until the queue is not empty, then what we will do, first we will basically in level order we will process level by level. So like we start from here, this is our 1 level, second level, and in any level we found the first leaf node, which means that till that level we have this is the minimum depth. So we will increase every level our depth by 1. So for processing level by level, let's take the size of our origin size of the queue. So this will become queue dot size. Then we will iterate all the nodes on this level, which will be size minus until greater than 0. Then get the root node, whatever the node from the queue first, queue dot poll. Then we will check if the node, current node, root, the node we are processing, if it is leaf itself, then which means we found our node which we are looking for. So, root dot write is null. Then we will return over here itself, return the whatever the depth we have so far. So, which will be our minimum depth. Otherwise, check if root dot left is not null, then add the queue dot add root dot left in our queue. Also check if root dot right is not null, then add the queue dot add root dot right node into the queue, and after that, that's it. So, this is level by level traversal we did over here. Now, after finishing the current level, we will increase our depth by 1 as every level we are going, and in the end just return to match the signature 0, that is it. Because in every case this will be the return from our solution. So, let us compile the code and see. So, it is working. Now, we can submit this BFS solution as well. So, it is accepted. The time complexity and space complexity of this solution is also same as the DFS. So, this is a Java implementation. If you are C++ developer, it is very straightforward. You can easily implement it, and also in Python you can try it out and share your code in the comment section, so that will help other peoples. Thanks for watching. If you like, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.